Hey, hi guys, I'm gonna do a skincare unboxing. I think this is from Nordhive. They randomly sent me 3 skincare products that I don't choose. Last one I don't really like because one product was for oily skin. I don't have oily skin. I didn't even try it, but yeah. So this one looks like it's gonna be good for me. So let's see. Okay, the first thing they sent me is this Rosale. I love this brand and certain products. Moisture serum. So this is made for dry skin pretty much. I feel like this one looks like I'm gonna need and like because I need hydration and I haven't exfoliated or anything, but I have white crust. You can barely see it. Anyway, so this has hyaluronic acid and hydrates the skin and makes it moist and firm. So yeah, I need that. So let's eat. Their vitamin C serum that's like this was very, it felt like it just sit in the skin. It didn't really moisturize. Their serums don't really moisturize or feel thick, which I don't like because I feel like I need it. This feels that it doesn't hydrate my skin, the vitamin C, so I don't really use it. I only use it to shave, but I don't know. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't really have a strong scent, but it has some scent to it. So. Oops, I made a mess on my shirt and package, so. Not in my hair. I just washed my hair. Oh my gosh. Oh well. I hope this doesn't leave a stain because yeah, so far it looks alright. I'm gonna test it out, but first let me open the next thing that I got are yay masks. So obviously I need masks. I always run out of these, so they're all the same. This is from a new brand I have never tried. Bugle, or I don't know how to pronounce it. Bugle Derma Restoration Ampoule Mask. Okay, so it says collagen and it moisturizes your skin. So restores elasticity. So this makes you look younger, supposedly. So, and I just love the color. So yeah, I think this is good. And like always, they always send 3. So when they send me masks, I always get excited because most of them are good and actually see a good hydration thing going on. Obviously when you use mask, it doesn't last for a long time, only for like an hour or few. So I'm like, I wish that effect happened all day, but no. So yeah. Yay, thank you Nordhive. Because anyways, the last thing they sent me is this. It's Okra Fito Music. Okay, these are hydrogel eye patch, and that's the brand. I've never tried this brand before, so this is hydrating. So this is good for dry skin, it looks like, as well. So okay, finally this box, they got it right. I think I'm gonna be able to use all of these eye patches. I need more because the other ones that I have, the marine ones, I don't really use them because I was like, I don't want to run out. But now that I have extra, I can use them more because I was saving those. So. Okay, I love the packaging. It's green and white. Okay, so let's see. Oh, kind of smells strong. So it comes out like this with these things to grab your acne. Ooh, I love that it's green. I love the color. It looks very gel type, moisturizing. Oops, the liquid is coming out. So these look very moisturizing. So I'm gonna use the products right now. I haven't used skincare, but I really need to moisturize a lot. Oh, it's so gelatin. It looked more green in the bottle package or whatever. Oh, it looks so cool, like crocodile skin. Imagine it's crocodile skin. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna put one on. Ooh, it's so clean and hydrating. It's cold. Okay. Put one there. Okay, I'm gonna put another one here. And this, I don't know how long to put them for. I'm pretty sure 20 minutes. Not the hair. So I liked how they feel. They feel nice. My skin feels very hydrating, like refreshing. It's not making my eyes itch or burn or nothing. So I've never had an allergic reaction with eye gels at all. So yeah. Next, I'm gonna use. No, I have to use it in a separate video. Without these, I was getting too excited to use them all at once. But I'll come back later when I remove them because I can't really do much right now. Okay, now I'm gonna finally try the mask. It smells kind of like grapefruit, like citrusy. It smells nice. Okay. Good. Girl, I don't know why this nose part is short. I'm trying to cover the nose, but I don't know how to do it without ripping the mask. But okay, so this says I need to leave it on for, it doesn't say either, so I'm guessing 20 minutes or whenever I feel like it's kind of dry. Okay, so